Hello everyone. Princess Natkins here. Today, I am dressed as Cinderella, and I will be opening our Disney Lorcana collector starter set. This is from the Fabled collection time period. I'm really excited about this, so let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, fun! Hello. I need to figure out how to get this box open. That was the thing I didn't think about before starting this stream. So we're just gonna pretend. Oh, I need scissors. What's up? Nice to see you, true dark Jedi. I don't want to accidentally cut anything. Okay, we're gonna do this way. Honestly, I'd rather rip the box than accidentally cut any of the product on the inside. Dark Jedi, how do I sound? Am I too loud? Do I need to lower my microphone? Yes. That is 100% true. So I just got it open. Let's get the scissors out of this shot. So the first thing, oh my God, this totally scared me. I pulled the portfolio out of the box and there's nothing left in the box. And I was like, there are so many more things that are supposed to be in here. So our first thing is our Brave Little Tailor Mickey Mouse portfolio. It's definitely plastic. It has 4 card slots with the side opening on each one. Ooh, that is so loud. Oh, yes, I totally remember. I totally remember meeting you. World of Warships was such a fun booth to work. Also inside of here, we have how to play the game, if you're not familiar. QR codes for the app. We've got some booster packs. And then, this is actually what I'm really excited for, the Tinkerbell Giant Fairy Glimmer Foil. So she's wrapped in plastic. I'm not going to take her out of the plastic for this video because she's just going to go into a card sleeve. But she is a special glimmer foil. And I do love this large Tinkerbell. I do hope to cosplay her. I was thinking about trying to cosplay her for this video, but I just couldn't get the cosplay together. So we're going to put that off to the side. And then we have 4 packs to open. Looks like we have 2 from the Goofy movie, a Steamboat Willie and a Cruella de Vil. So let's start with a Goofy movie. You have which card for sale in your TCG player store? Feel free to tell whoever watches this what the name is on a TCG player to look for your store for Tinkerbell. All right, so here we are in the Fabled set. So we got a Pluto, PJ Pete, Mickey Mouse. We got our Hercules, True Hero, Mufasa, Casa Madrigal, Judy Hopps, Last Ditch Efforts, Lawrence. Oh, and a Max Goof. This is a legendary. That is a fun. Oh, and another legendary. So we got a legendary Max Goof and a legendary Robin Hood. Oh, and I thought I was done. And a foil Elsa gloves off. And yes, I took my Cinderella gloves off today too because I don't think I could unwrap cards if I had gloves on. So let me get some cute little sleeves. Let's put Robin Hood, one of our legendaries, and Max Goof. Ooh, that is really pretty. I definitely do not have this card. Super excited about that. Okay, that was pack 1. Let's go for Carla DeVille next, shall we? Now, if you're one of my friends and you play Lorcana, I am collecting all the Lorcana aluminum things, packaging, wrapping for a project. So if you want to hang on to those for me and give them to me next time you see me, that would be awesome. There's a little thing that I would like to try and do with those. All right, pack 2, Lost in the Woods, Powerline, The Enchantress, Prince Eric, One Jump Ahead, I'm Stuck. I identify with that card. Mickey Mouse, Roxanne. I definitely cosplayed as her. I should have dressed up as her for this unboxing. I didn't even think about it. Bobby Zimmerowski, Spring Cheese Kid. Oh, Prince Philip, one of the very handsome princes. Prince Philip is a super rare. I'll put him aside. Oh, and a legendary Elsa. You guys, I already like this pack. I already love this. And then a foil Sisu. Very nice. Put that aside. You know what? Let's just get a bunch of these protectors out because hopefully I will need at least one on every pack that I open. Fingers crossed. Hi, Stephanie. I know I'm live on Twitch before. I'm going to meet up with you tonight. It's okay. I only have 2 more packs to open. And then I'm going to go. Oh my gosh. It feels so backwards. I don't know why I can't move my arms the right direction. You know what? Let's try something. I saw that I can switch. Now I'm looking at my cards. Look how fun that is. Oh, it does say sound test. Oh, I should probably change that. Hopefully that updates. I am dressed up. It is too fun. Next, I'm going to open up Steamboat Willie or Mickey Mouse Steamboat Pilot because the Goofy movie was like a huge draw to the Fabled set. So I'm going to open that last. All right. Stitch. Another power line. Improvise. Eeyore. Dolores Madrigal. One jump ahead of the bread line. Elsa Snow Queen, also another cosplay I would love to do. This wig, though, is I think what is keeping me from doing that. Julieta Madrigal, Maui's Place of Exile, Lumiere. Oh, we have another legendary, John Silver, and a foiled Donald Duck Sleepwalker. You want the Gargoyles and Black Cauldron from the new set. I have to tell you, Whispers in the Well, I am obsessed with a majority of those cards. The Cinderella card obviously is one of the cards that I really, really want to collect and is one of my chase cards. But the Ariel card that is on, here, I have a picture of it. The Ariel, where's the camera? There it is. And I think she's either an enchanted or an iconic, where she's pictured like this as a whisper. That is like my true chase card. I opened Whispers in the Well the other night, dressed as Ariel, hoping I got her, but I got Cinderella instead. But that's totally okay. But yes, Black Cauldron, definitely want to get all those too. Did you know that Black Cauldron is turning 40 this year? I found that out today when I Googled what Disney movies came out in 1985. All right, you guys, last pack magic. Blow on the camera for me. Blow on the pack. Put your good luck into it for me. Okay, did everyone blow on the camera or on the screen? You did? Oh, and you saw it in theaters. Oh my goodness. You know what? If I did see it in theaters, I probably wouldn't even remember, to be perfectly honest with you. I was 5 years old. Yes, Stephanie said she blew on the screen. All right. Last pack magic with the front looking like the Goofy movie. Be our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. I shouldn't sing. Queen of Hearts, Impulsive Ruler, another Mickey Mouse Steamboat Pilot, Prince Eric, Winnie the Pooh, Anna, Braving the Storm, Donald Duck, Perfect Gentleman, Dewey, Card Soldiers, Grandpappy, another John Silver, but this one is a rare, and then a Princess Aurora, Regal Princess as the foil. Well, that is it, you guys. That was a really fun opening. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Feel free to find me on my other social medias accounts, all under Princess Natkins, where I do a lot of cosplay and Disney Lorcana stuff. So just as a recap, we opened the collection starter set. We got this cute portfolio. I think this portfolio is where I'm going to put my signed Lorcana cards. And then anything that I just don't really want to take out of the house. The promo card is this Glimmer Foil Tinkerbell Giant Fairy. It's got beautiful glimmer foil on there. It's kind of hard to see through the plastic, but I don't want to open the plastic just yet because I do have to change and run right after I finish this video. And then we pulled 5 legendary cards tonight. Let's see if I can put them in the order that we got them. We got a Robin Hood, the Champion of Sherwood. We got a Max Goof Chart Topper. We got a Prince Philip Vanquisher of Foes. I almost dressed as Princess Aurora. I should have. We got Elsa, Spirit of Winter. Hey, Danger Marin. So glad that you popped on to say hi. You came for the blowing and stayed for the cards. Of course you would. And then finally, our last legendary we got was John Silver, the Alien Pirate. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming to my live stream. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing while I was in my Cinderella cosplay. If you want to see more unboxing videos of me in cosplay, don't forget to follow, I think is what you do. Or, you know, go follow my other social medias because I'll post videos and pictures from my Twitch there. All right, everyone, have a great night. Thanks for spending time with me. See you next time.